In this 1-minute Power BI video we will learn how to make funnel chart. We will make a funnel chart like this from scratch. Step 1. Select the funnel chart icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. Expand the visual by clicking at the edge and then dragging it. Step 2. Select country, then drag and drop country to category field. Select product, then drag and drop product to category field under country data. Select revenue, then drag and drop revenue to values. Step 3. Now we will drill down the visual. To display country and product type, select the icon 4. Expand all down one level in the hierarchy level down. Step 4. We will change the color of visual from blue to red. In Format Your Visual section, click on Colors and then select Red from the range. Select Category Labels, Values and then increase the font size, make the text bold, change the color if required. Left-hand side labels, you can see the country with product type. We can also sort axis of revenue in ascending order. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel The BI Nerd. And check out other 1-minute Power BI videos.